By raising the wheels, the load can be broken back easier than with a conventional hand dolly. The leverage hook bar provides added power and leverage to further reduce back strain on even the heaviest of loads. Lectrotruck will provide the power to handle heavy loads safely and with complete, accurate control at all times. Let Lectrotruck cut down on injuries, workman's comp claims, and damages to your product and customers' premises. By adjusting the position of the wheels, the standard Lectrotruck without additional accessories will carry big loads through typical doorways found in most locations, with plenty of space to spare. The center of gravity is maintained during the lowering and raising action by powering the wheels up or down. The Lectrotruck with the all-terrain wheels easily moves tall loads under doorways.